Welcome to the Benjamin L. Hooks Storytime with Miss Frida. Today, our story is about Mother's Day. Yes, Mother's Day is here, May 9th. So be sure to let your mom know how much you love her. Give her kisses and hugs and do something nice for her. Okay? Let's get started. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? How are you today? I'm fine, I'm just great. I'm fine, I'm just great. I'm fine, I'm just great. I am well today. Good job. All right, let's get ready for our first story. This story is titled Saturday. The author is Ogi Mora. Do you know what the author does? You were right. The author writes the words. Saturday. This morning, Ava and her mother were all smiles. It was Saturday because Ava's mother worked Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Saturday was the day they cherished. On Saturday, they zipped to the library for weekly story time. Yay! On Saturday, they lounged in salon chairs and got new hairdos. On Saturday, they picnicked in the grass for a peaceful afternoon at the park. And on this Saturday, they would also ride the bus across town for a one-night-only puppet show. The day would be special. The day would be splendid. The day was Saturday. Ava and her mother could hardly wait. So, zoom, off they went to the library. But when they reached the library, they saw the sign, Help Desk, Attention, Patrons, Story Time is canceled today. Please join us next Saturday. Story time was canceled? Oh no, Ava said. It's canceled? Mom said. They paused, closed their eyes, and they let out a deep breath. Don't worry, Ava, Mom said. Today will be special. Today will be splendid. Today is Saturday. So, zoom, off they went to the salon. But they left the salon and guess what happened? Whoosh! Their hairdo, it was ruined. Oh no, Ava said. She cried. Oh no. My hairdo is all ruined. You know what they did? They paused. They closed their eyes. Let's do it again. They let out a deep breath. Don't worry, Ava's mom said. Today will be special. Today will be splendid. Today is Saturday. So, zoom, off they went. But their peaceful afternoon at the park was loud. Oh no, Ava groaned. Huh? What did you say? It's too noisy. I can't hear you, yelled her mom. They paused, they closed their eyes, and they took in a deep breath and let out a deep, deep breath. Don't worry, Ava, her mother reassured her. Today will be special. Today will be splendid. Today will be, ruined if we miss that bus. Let's go. Run as fast as you can. So, zoom to the extra special one night only puppet show they went. We made it, Ava exclaimed as they arrived at the theater. Thank goodness, Mom said. Hooray for Saturday, they cheered. Now showing Flamingo, the puppet show, one night only. Mom. Tickets, chirped the lady at the door. Mom looks into her bag. She's looking and looking. She reached into her purse. But the tickets weren't there. Oh no, Ava's mom said. I left our tickets on the table. As Ava watched her mother crumble. I've had it, she sighed. Storytime was canceled. Our hair was ruined. The park was too loud. And now we're missing the puppet show. I'm sorry, Ava. I'm so sorry. We look forward to this all week. And I've messed up everything. I ruined Saturday. Ava was quiet for a moment. She closed her eyes and she let out a deep breath. She did it again. You know what? Ava says, don't worry, Mama. Today was special. Today was splendid. Saturdays are wonderful because I spend them with you. So slowly, hand in hand, off they went. When they reached their apartment door, Ava turned to her mother. She had an idea. What if we, Ava started. You know, we could, her mom said. So they did. You know what they did? Everything they decided to do on that Saturday, they did it at home in their own apartment. And you know what? They had a beautiful day. I hope you enjoyed Saturday. So now we have a song. Would you like to sing a song? A Mother's Day song? It's very simple. And it goes like this. I love mommy, yes I do, yes I do. All I want to say is Happy Mother's Day, I love you, I love you. Great job. Would you like to try it again? All right, let's try it one more time. I love mommy, yes I do, yes I do. All I want to say is Happy Mother's Day, I love you, I love you. Good job, good job. All right, now we have a poem for you. For your mother. And it goes like this. Can you copycat me? All right. For all you do with love. You are so special, a gift from above. And with all my heart, I want to say, I love you, Mom. Happy Mother's Day. Good job. Now, we have another story. This is a short story, and it's titled, World's Greatest Mom. And the author is Cat Smith. Remember what the author does? You're right. The author writes the words. And the illustrator does what? You're right again, draws the pictures. I'm so glad my mom belongs to me. She gives the best hugs in the whole wide world. And the best presents too, like this great camera. Mom says, I'll get the hang of it soon. Here are some pictures of Bunny, my dog. I don't think she likes my camera. My mom is great at making things and fixing things too. Mom made this dragon costume for my party, but the tail was a little too long. Mom's a fantastic cook. I think she makes the yummiest snacks. Just look at what we had at my birthday party. Bunny thinks my mom is a good cook too. Can you guess how old I am? She makes cakes, but she does not need my help to decorate them. Sometimes I feel a little shy when there are lots of people around. This is Jack and Lucy from school. James lives next door to me. This is my best friend Mitty and her mom. So when there are a lot of people around, my mom is always there to help me out. My mom can do anything. She can even juggle well, kind of. At my party, my mom made things for everyone out of balloons. She made a sword for Jack. This one was for Millie. Look at her juggling over there. My mom can do anything. My mom knows lots of great games. At my party, we played pin the tail on the donkey and musical chairs. I had to let Jack win. It's never boring when she's around. And wherever there's an emergency, my mom knows exactly what to do. I love the new ball Millie gave me, and so did Bunny. When I'm feeling sad, my mom can always cheer me up. She makes everything fun, even cleaning up. Wow. I felt sad when it was time for my friends to go home. My mom tried to be a scary dragon, but she just made me, she made me giggle. Sometimes me and my mom have so much fun. She gets tired and needs a little rest, but she always makes space for me. James gave me a super set of felt pens. Mom said I was the loudest dragon she's ever heard. Guess who gave me a great pirate storybook? Mom did. Of course, Mom comes in different shapes and sizes, but somehow my mom is just right. Millie and her mom, Lucy and her mom, Jack and his mom, me and my mom. Of course, everyone thinks their mom is the best, but I still think I'm really, really lucky because I know for sure that my mom is the world's greatest mom. We have another song for you, and it goes like this. We love mothers, yes we do, yes we do. Mothers are for hugging, mothers are for kissing. We love you, yes we do. Good job. All right, I hope you enjoyed the story time. And now we have a craft. Would you like to make a craft for your mom? Yay, yes you would. So we have a simple craft for today. We're going to make our mom a bouquet of flowers. Yay, Mom would love a bouquet of flowers from you. And guess what? You don't have to buy them. You're going to use your own little hands. And you're going to make flowers. A bouquet of flowers for your mom. This poem. Copycat me. Say a bouquet of flowers. Flowers just for you. Made from fingers, paper, and glue. Because I love you, Mom. Yes, I do. Happy Mother's Day from you know who. Good job. So, this is what you need. All you need is paper, glue, scissors, and a pencil. Now, what you're going to do is use your little fingers. And if you're too young, have someone to help you. You're going to just put your hand down on the paper and you're just going to trace your handprint. And if you have brothers or sisters, you can trace their hand. And your mom's bouquet can be from your handprint or your sister's or brother's handprint. Oh, Mom is going to love it. You're going to get your, once you trace your handprint, you're going to cut them out. This is my handprint. My hand is bigger than your hand. So my bouquet of flowers are going to be much bigger than yours. So I cut my handprint out. And you situate it on your bouquet of flowers just like so. Glue it on. And then you're going to write Happy Mother's Day. And you know what? Mom is going to love it. You know why? Because it came from you know who. Thank you so very much for listening to Storytime today with Miss Freedom. So right now we have our goodbye song. And it goes like this. Goodbye, goodbye. It's time to go. Goodbye, goodbye. I don't wanna go. See you later, alligator. Bye, 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 butterfly. Goodbye. Goodbye, everyone.